Hi there, beautiful people. Welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be showing 5 nail polishes that make me happy whenever I wear them, but they are all orange colors. I have done previously, I think I did yellows, greens and blues, maybe even purples as well. I'm doing like the entire rainbow in this series. Usually in my nail polish that make me happy videos, I get like a bunch of different colors, different brands and so on. But for now, I'm just keeping it at one color at a time. And for today, it is time for orange polishes. As a Dutch girl, orange is one of my favorite colors. It is so stunning, and I have selected 5 from my collection that I truly love. I think I have about like 3,000 nail polish bottles, and mostly these are like pinks, reds, like your standard colors, but I love oranges. I actually thought I had more orange colors than I actually do. But yeah, I picked 5 of my favorites, and the first one is by What's Up Nails, and this one is called Lush Orangery. No idea how to pronounce it. It is from What's Up Nails. It's one of my favorite brands as well. They've actually collabed with me a couple of times, or at least sent out their beautiful collections for me to swatch. I'm really hoping that they come out with something new soon, because I'm really interested in trying out new polishes from them. They are really good. They are a little bit more on the expensive side, but they are so nice. This one is just a beautiful like bright orange with a very lovely like golden sheen, a little bit of a pinkish sheen as well. Very beautiful. It's almost like orange liquid metal. It is really beautiful, but it isn't like your true metallic polish. It is completely opaque within 2 coats. Then the next one is by Trind. This one is actually a Dutch brand. I love this brand as well. I have to say I haven't seen new collections from them in a hot minute. I don't know if they're actually still creating new collections. I have to look into that. But Trend is a very beautiful brand. This is just a gorgeous bright orange, like your perfect Dutch King's Day orange kind of color. It is called Clownfish Coral. It is pretty much opaque within that first coat, to be honest, but because I do have to like very much do my gel polish overlay again on my natural nails, I was like, I'm just going to add a second one, and I'm just going to add 2 coats for each and every single polish that I'm featuring in this video, just to show you what they're capable of with 2 coats, but also show you what they can do for just 1 coat, just like this Trend one. I think if you have shorter nails, or you don't have like a big ass gap between your natural nail and your gel polish overlay like I have at the moment, like it's been 4 weeks I think, I really need to redo it. But if you don't have that and you're applying it to your natural nails, on shorter nails 1 coat is good to go. Then another one of my favorites, and I know this one is supposed to be the red from the Taste the Rainbow collection by Nailed It, which came out like 5 years ago, I think. It's supposed to be the red one, but because of those beautiful golden, like very like almost fire-like flakies in there, it kind of turns into a nice orangey kind of shade, and that is why I decided to just put this one in my nail polish that makes me happy orange edition video. Yeah, I know it's supposed to be red, like Strawberry Treasure. Strawberries are red, they're not orange, I know. But the flakies just really make it super orangey looking, and just like you have flames or fire on your nails. It is such a beautiful polish, and it just tied in with the whole orange vibe so perfectly that I was like, I'm just going to cheat a little bit and put this one in here, because it's just too gorgeous not to share, to be honest. And in that Taste the Rainbow collection by Nailed It, there really wasn't an orange color. So yeah, I was like, I'm just going to like put this one in here. Hopefully no one really minds. I know it's supposed to be red, but I just feel like it looks very orange. Like in person, on camera, it just looks really orange to me, and it's just a beautiful flaky polish. Then next up, the most affordable polish that I will be showing, because these are like €2 a bottle. This is from Essence, from their new gel polish, nail polish collection. I don't even know what they're called anymore. Like they always like switch up their like nail polish line name a little bit. They call it a gel nail polish, but it's just a regular polish. Keep in mind, if it is in a see-through bottle, it is a regular nail polish, because otherwise the polish would be cured AF in the bottle already before even using it. But this one, Orange You Cute number 15, it is so opaque. It was already opaque within that first coat. But yeah, for the sake of the video and just keep it all uniform, I'm just going to do 2 coats, and it is a beautiful hot orange color. It comes quite close to the Trined clownfish coral color. I feel like this Essence one is a little bit more dark, a little bit more deep. They are both very, very vibrant. So if you're like, I can't afford a Trend or I can't get my hands on that brand, just go for the Essence one, because it's really affordable. They're vegan, cruelty free, all that jazz, and really easy to get by. I always get them online or at my local pharmacy. Yeah, just check them out if you're curious. Then the 5th and final color already, of course I had to add this one by Catrice. This is number 50, Poppy Reloaded, from their newer nail polish collection. What's it called again? I can't remember. Something like Gel Affair nail polish or nail lacquer, something like that. You can see it on the bottle. I was just not paying attention to the footage. But this one is really gorgeous. It is very much opaque within the first coat already too. Kind of similar to the Essence one, but this one has a really nice golden sheen or shimmer to it. And I just love it so much. I do have to mention, if you are going to wear orange nail polishes like these on your natural nails without any barrier, such as a gel polish overlay, make sure to really like apply that base coat well, or maybe even double up with base coats, because oranges stain the natural nail plate like crazy. I kid you not. You really want to make sure, if you don't want any discoloration or something like that, or staining, please use a good base coat. But yeah, these were my 5 picks for the nail polish that makes me happy video, like the orange edition. Let me know what you think about them. If you are wearing orange nail polishes yourself, which one is your favorite? But thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.